Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to practice a real English conversation about ordering coffee at a cafe. You'll learn useful phrases like I'd like and could I get, plus key vocabulary like size, flavor, and to go. We'll listen together first, then you'll practice speaking, so stay until the end. First, just listen. Don't worry about speaking yet. Read along and get comfortable with the conversation.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please.
Sure. Would you like any flavor? Vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut?
Vanilla sounds great. Thank you.
Perfect. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please. Oh, could I also get a blueberry muffin?
Of course. That'll be $5.80. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks.
Now it's your turn. You're going to play the customer. When you see the blue lines, pause the video and say them out loud. I'll read the barista's part. You focus on the customer.
Hi there. What can I get for you today? Sure. Would you like any flavor? Vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut? Perfect. Is that for here or to go? Of course. That'll be $5.80. Have a wonderful day.
Great job! Now let's swap. This time, you're the barista. Speak the red lines out loud. Try to sound natural and friendly.
Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please. Vanilla sounds great. Thank you. To go, please. Oh, could I also get a blueberry muffin? You too. Thanks.
Amazing work! You just practiced a real English conversation from both sides. If you want to keep improving, check out our other videos. There's a new conversation every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a practice session. See you in the next one!